Hey guys, I'll show you how to set up the vmVaporizer Turbo. You'll basically take this black tab, press on it, and then pull the red tab up. That'll loosen it, and once it's loose, you can grab your dual blower, and you kind of got to wiggle it in there. And once it's in there, then you turn it right until it clicks. Once it clicks, you will snap in the red clamp. Now it's solid, it's not going anywhere. It's holding it in place. Next, you'll set up your torch. You'll put in the control knob right into its place. And then your torch hoses are gonna go above the vaporizer. I've seen some people setting it up with it going underneath. That's not right. It's gonna put too much tension on the hoses, which you don't want. So you'll run them above. Right one obviously goes to the right side, left side. And then the way you do this is you first put it into the hole. Once you put it into the hole, not all the way, once it goes into the first one, you want it to barely go into the second one, and as soon as it goes into the second one, you start churning it. You churn it, and you want to line up your brass piece with your little tab that holds the vaporizer, the torch to the vaporizer. So you don't want it to be higher and you don't want it to be lower, meaning you don't want it to be in the hole too much like this. You don't want it to go onto the brass piece. You want it exactly at the brass piece like this. So once it's at the brass piece, you can go ahead and loosen your hose clamp and then tighten that. Same thing on this side. You will first put in the torch right into the second hole, then churn. So straight, a little bit into the hole, not too much, and then churn. So straight in and then churn. I know it's a little tricky, but that's how it's done the proper way. And then, like on the other one, you want to line up the brass part to the tab that's holding the torches. And there you go. So now you have your blower attached, control knob, your torches lined up to the brass exactly, not further, not further in, not further out. So you're good. The way this handle works here is you pull this tab up and it folds, and then you push it in and it holds that in place. So it's good. With oxalic acid, obviously it goes into here. And then with the cleaning rod, the way you use this is you take off your blower fan by doing the same thing. Twist it off, and you're gonna go into the bottom half. Here, there's two sections, top and bottom. You're gonna go into the bottom half. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're done. That's all there is to cleaning it when you're out in the yard working. So it's not that hard. I know some people put in a wire into here. That's not correct. Don't be shoving anything into here. That's not the way it works. Watch our other video, how to load the vaporizer properly so you don't get oxalic acid buildup here, which is why people start putting stuff into here, is because oxalic acid starts building up here because they're not using it properly, and they start putting in wires and other sticks in here trying to push the oxalic acid down. That's not the way to use it. That's it.